Are you looking for the best air fryer? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers. The 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers are advanced kitchen appliances designed to provide convenient and healthy frying options. With their oil-less cooking technology, 1700W power output, multifunctionality, touchscreen interface, and spacious 8L capacity, these fryers offer a versatile solution for crispy and delicious meals. Utilizing an oil-less cooking technology, the 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers allow you to enjoy fried foods without excess oil. This not only promotes healthier cooking but also reduces the mess and cleanup associated with traditional deep frying. Number 2. Original Xiaomi Mijia Intelligent Air Fryer 4L. The original Xiaomi Mijia Intelligent Air Fryer 4L is a state-of-the-art kitchen appliance designed to make healthy cooking convenient and flavorful. With its oil-less cooking technology, 360 degrees hot air baking, deep frying capabilities, Mijia app compatibility, and spacious 4L capacity, this intelligent air fryer provides a versatile solution for creating delicious meals with ease. Utilizing oil-less cooking technology, the original Xiaomi Mijia Intelligent Air Fryer 4L allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the need for excessive oil. This innovative feature promotes a healthier cooking method while still achieving crispy and delicious results. Number 3. Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L. The Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L is a high-capacity and multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to offer convenient and healthy cooking options. With its large 10L capacity, smart oil-free cooking technology, smokeless operation, electric oven features, and 220V compatibility, this air fryer provides a versatile solution for preparing delicious meals with ease. The 10L capacity of the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer allows you to cook larger portions of food, making it suitable for families or gatherings. It provides ample space to cook a variety of dishes, including fries, chicken wings, vegetables, and more. Using smart oil-free cooking technology, this air fryer allows you to prepare your favorite fried foods with minimal or no oil. This not only promotes healthier cooking but also reduces the consumption of excess fats and calories. Number 4. Large Capacity 10L Air Fryer. The Large Capacity 10L Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to provide convenient and healthier cooking options. With its spacious 10L capacity, intelligent LCD chips machine, automatic features, and electric oven functionality, this air fryer offers a convenient way to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. The 10L capacity of this air fryer allows you to cook larger portions of food, making it suitable for families or gatherings. It provides ample space to prepare crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted vegetables, and more, all with the convenience of air frying. Equipped with intelligent LCD chips machine, the air fryer offers precise control over the cooking process. The LCD display allows you to easily adjust the temperature, time, and cooking settings, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection. Number 5. OXPHIC 5.8-liter Electric Air Fryer. The OXPHIC 5.8-liter electric air fryer is a versatile home appliance designed to provide convenient and healthier cooking options. With its 5.8-liter capacity, oil-less cooking technology, convection oven functionality, and ability to prepare dishes like French fries and healthy fried chicken, this air fryer offers a practical solution for enjoying crispy and delicious meals. Featuring a 5.8-liter capacity, the OXPHIC electric air fryer provides ample space to cook larger portions of food, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Whether you want to prepare a batch of French fries or a crispy fried chicken, this air fryer can accommodate your needs.